Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MJNA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and in this situation makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today was a very nice move. I mean, from where it was to where it eventually closed, good solid day. I think everybody would agree with that. But that does bring up the logical question, but is there any sort of true power behind this move? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it revolves around a single level. And to better illustrate this, I want to just scrunch up a chart here a tad for a little bit more perspective. Whoops, I didn't want to scrunch it up that much. There we go. And that level is down here. Maybe you're thinking, well, geez, one level to answer that question. Yeah, that's why I love charts. It makes things very straightforward. Is 12.5 cents. Why is 12.5 cents so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward, not go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, a price movement that's truly strong is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about 12.5 cents. Any sort of closes below 12.5 cents, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That's putting the price right back to within this range where it already was. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price heads down here, bounces around, and then heads back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows down here. If you picture each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's what truly strong moves do. Over time, they're going to make progress in that upwards direction. So to me, 12.5 cents, very important level of support. Ideally speaking, meaning, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? If the price can stay up above 13 cents, that would by far make the chart look the most powerful. But by no means am I saying that if the price drops below, 13 cents, that everything's ruined or anything like that. What about areas of resistance? In this case, pretty straightforward. The party stopped today right up here at about 0.138. So 0.138 is going to be that key overall area of resistance. But as it stands right now, by no means does the price have to break levels of resistance in order to continue to look good. Right now, key priority, at least in my opinion, going through a healthy consolidation, building a higher base. So like I said, no doubt about it, good solid day today. Now it's just a question of, can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We shall see. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.